Hey YouTube, what I have here is a Husky torque wrench, and I actually picked this up on video many years ago because my first one actually broke. I think the handle broke. Went to Home Depot, got this one. Guess what? This one also has broken, and the ratchet has jammed up. So I'm at Home Depot right now actually, and I'm gonna take this in and change it. Now the issue is I don't think they sell this anymore. This is 39104 and it is from 20 foot-pounds to 250. I think they've changed it where it's like 50 foot-pounds to 250. So I'm gonna go in, see what they say, and I'll come out and I'll update you. Okay, so this ratchet is the torque wrench. It stopped working. It's jammed up. And this thing doesn't do anything, so just gonna open up real quick before I go to Home Depot, see what is in there. Okay, there's the screw. Oh. The little stub has broken off. I'll take a picture. There it is right there. I don't actually know how that works. So let's see. I guess this would go in the corner. wonder if this goes here. Okay, so you can see there right there are the markings where the little stud hits. So I'm guessing this goes like this. All right. And maybe this goes like this. I wonder if this goes like this. Alright. That makes sense. So we gotta maybe push that spring over the stud. Oh. So it works one way. Works the other way. So let's see. So what the issue is, there's a little like a stud right here. The camera can't. There's a little like nub right there, and that pulls the spring. So that will go, it will go right here. It will go right there and pull the spring back. So when you turn it, it actually pulls the spring back, with which releases this, I don't know what you call it, these teeth right here, and allows it to ratchet one way. So, okay, I came back from Home Depot, and ignore that one for a second. This is the new Husky I picked up, and yeah, they didn't have that model that is 20 to 250. They had this one, which is 50 to 250. Now, here's a closer look. Now I feel like I should have just looked for a replacement dial on the back, because that's all it really needed. And I say that because if you look at the length of this torque wrench and compare it to this one, this is the exact same length as that old Husky. This is a Mastercraft torque wrench, and if you look at the length here, this thing's way shorter, about 3 inches shorter. So it helps so much having the long torque wrench when you're doing like 130 foot-pound axle nut or more. And I don't know why it would be shorter, but that's what it is. So I really feel like the best thing I should have done was just get a new dial on the back if I could have, and kept that one. But this is what I have right now, the new Husky torque wrench, and I'll keep you updated if it breaks again. Yeah, so that's it.